Restoration millwork may be cleaned by using a soft bristle brush and a bucket of soapy water to remove normal dirt and grime. For especially stubborn stains or for mold or mildew, use a cleaner suitable for PVC products. Your local building materials retailer can supply several different brands, but test any cleaner on an inconspicuous area before you use it.